What up guys, it's your boy DJY and we're back with another episode. So last night was amazing. It was a legendary night, bro. Uncle Diddy reunited with West Coast legend Dr. Dre in studio. Literally it seems they cooking up something special. We have dream collaboration all the way by yours truly, Diddy and Dr. Dre. So here is post of Diddy where he said, "Yesterday, one of my biggest dreams finally came true. I remember the first time I heard Dr. Dre production. It gave me clear direction on the level of producer that I wanted to be."
Hey, yo, check this out. We coming up on the Labor Day weekend. It's a Labor Day, gotta move on. Labor Day weekend takeover. Yeah.
Guys, this is dope. Two kings on the same place. This is amazing. But you know that in social media they talking about upcoming versus battle between Diddy and Dr. Dre. I'm sure that everyone wants to see this legendary versus, but let's talk about last night collaboration, bro. We have Diddy and Dr. Dre on the same track. Bro, it sounds too dope. This will be song of the year without doubt, man. So here you're watching some celeb reactions. Here is French Montana says this is legendary, and I totally agree to him. So this is what it is. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Stay tuned guys, we have the biggest collaboration all the way. Thanks for watching. Peace out.